Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, good second. Oh, good job. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here, come on. Don't worry, it's going to take lots of tries. Don't worry. Okay? Keep the knee straight. Keep them straight. There you go. There you go. Oh, good job. Good job. There you go. Wow. Good job, good job, keep going. Straighten out. There. Go, go, go. Whoa. Oh.
Look at you!
Alright, from left, left, left. Same way you did before. Nope, 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 nope. Okay.
Tell me what you learned how to do today.
I learned how to ride my bike.
With training wheels?
No, without training wheels.
What? No way!
Yes way.
What's fun about it?
Because it's so much fun.